Morning, guys. A little bit of test. Oops, let me crank up the audio for you guys a little bit. I can't talk too loud, it's late. I did it, guys. I got it under class. Well, it's one of the few that I have up, or that I'm going to be putting up. This one I didn't quite get the axle rating for it, so I just threw a 465 axle on it with a factory gear in. Let's take you guys up to the track. Yeah, there's an interesting shade in it. Yeah, I'm actually the original builder of this on the games. Ryzen 4 in this one.
You have arrived at your destination.
Don't worry about the background noise, there's a truck outside. I mean, there's still always going to be more info on the description down below. I mean, don't just look at these videos here, I got plenty more of the 1A top mod tunes. Could have went a little bit faster. Oops, sorry, can't trade that by.